Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Smart Home Store. How can I help you?
I want to ask about voice assistant.
You want to ask about a voice assistant?
Yes. I see on TV, but I not know how it work.
You saw it on TV, but you don't know how it works? No problem. A voice assistant is a smart speaker. You can talk to it.
I can talk to it? What I say?
Yes, you can say things like, "What's the weather?" or play music.
It understand my English?
Does it understand your English? Yes, it understands simple English very well.
How much cost one voice assistant?
How much does one voice assistant cost? This one is $50.
I want buy one, but I'm not sure.
You want to buy one, but you are not sure? You can try it here in the store.
That is good. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have fun with your new voice assistant.
Thank you. I am excited to try.
That's great. Enjoy your smart home.
Hello?
Hi, are you enjoying the art?
Yes, it is very nice. I want to ask about this art.
You want to ask about this art?
Yes, it looked different. People touch it and lights change.
Yes, this is interactive art. You can touch it and the lights or sounds will change.
I can touch it too?
Yes, you can touch it. That's the fun part.
I never see art like this before.
You have never seen art like this before? It is new for many people.
How it work?
How does it work? There are sensors inside. When you touch, the sensors make the lights change.
That is cool. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for explaining.
Thank you for asking. Art is for everyone.
I want show my friend.
That's a great idea. Enjoy the art together.
Thank you. I am happy to learn.
You're welcome. Have a creative day.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Drone Zone. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to fly my drone here.
You want to fly your drone here?
Yes, but I not know the rules.
You don't know the rules? No problem. Drones can fly here, but not too high.
How high I can fly?
How high can I fly? You can fly up to 50 meters.
I need special paper?
Do I need special paper? You need a permit if your drone is big.
My drone is small.
Then you don't need a permit. Just be careful of people.
Can I fly near trees?
Can I fly near trees? It's better to stay away from trees.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have fun flying your drone.
I am happy. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the 3D printing shop. How can I help you?
I want print a keychain.
You want to print a keychain?
Yes, I have picture on my phone.
That's great. We can use your picture to make the keychain.
I not do this before.
You have not done this before? No problem. It is easy.
How much cost to print one keychain?
How much does it cost to print one keychain? It is $5.
How long it take?
How long does it take? It takes about 1 hour.
I wait here?
Yes, you can wait here or come back later.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Your keychain will be ready soon.
I am excited. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the meditation room. How can I help you?
I want to know about quiet hours.
You want to know about quiet hours?
Yes, I like to meditate when it is quiet.
That's good. Quiet hours are from 8 to 10 in the morning and 6 to 8 in the evening.
I can come at 9 in morning.
Can I come at 9 in the morning? Yes, that is a quiet time.
I not come here before.
You have not come here before? No problem. Everyone is welcome.
I need bring something.
Do I need to bring something? No, just yourself. We have mats and pillows.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meditation.
I'm happy to try.
That's wonderful. Have a peaceful day.
You too.